Hello and welcome back to the Wallmantra Show. I'm your host Harshita, and today we are going to talk about the final tips to make you achieve that perfect look for your living room. A nice hanging light is a must-have for an attractive living room. While choosing, you must keep in mind that it should scatter the light evenly. You can go for false ceilings as well. Art gives a personality to your room, so you can definitely add an element of art. Given the variety available, I'm sure you'll find one matching your taste. The best way to decorate your corner is by adding a floor shelf or a floor lamp for creating an uncluttered and beautiful look. So folks, these were some tips to complete the magical look of your living room. Do tell us about your views in the comments section and stay tuned to the Wallmantra Show for more. Bye.